Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra air sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Libra air sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Libra and what's going on? So let's see messages for you. Under the deck, the Sun and Queen of Wands. Definitely some positive shift is coming in your life. The Sun with Queen of Wands. In near future, you will be stand by your power. You are taking control. Yes, you are taking your control back totally. And there is some positive shift is coming. Yes, happiness. Recent past, Page of Cups, Nine of Wands and Ace of Cups. There is love between both of you. Ace of Cups. But you guarded up. Why? You are feeling guarded up. They are coming back with apology. Definitely for some already approached with an apology. Page of Cups. Maybe your person is immature in and out of your life. There is no commitment. That's why you are guarded up. Even though you love this person a lot, but you are guarded up and they realize their mistake. That's why they coming back with they came back with an apology. For some, your person is already approached you. For some, if not, they're going to be. Because Page of Cups, I think your person is very immature. For some, children also involved in this connection. But you are guarded up. But you have so much love towards this person. Then present, Seven of Cups, Five of Cups and Six of Wands. You're still confused to make decision about this relationship or about this person. And you're feeling sad. Five of Cups energy. For this person or for something else in your life right now, you're feeling sad. Five of Cups energy. And Six of Wands, you want success in this relationship, but it is not happening right now. That's why maybe you're feeling sad. Maybe they are in and out of your life. There is no commitment. For some, third party situation also involved in this connection. For some, you are getting success for your hard work, especially in your work area. You are getting recognition for your hard work. Then future, Knight of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, Page of Wands. Again, your person want to communicate with you. They want to text you. And they're rushing to communicate with you because Knight of Swords with Page of Wands. Again, your person may be player type energy. Again, Knights are in and out of our lives. So that's why maybe they are irresponsible. They don't want to take responsibility. And Wheel of Fortune, but one positive thing in this reading is things are turning out into your favor and there is some positive shift is coming and you are choosing yourself. Maybe you will stand your power. You are working on yourself. In near future, you will work on yourself, especially on your self-growth. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of water energy. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see Libra, your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity. Eight of Cups under the deck. Maybe they walked away in past. So their feelings, Libra. Two of Pentacles. Still they are juggling. Your person is juggling. Maybe they have options for some. For some, your person is confused right now. That's why they're holding back. They are not expressing their feelings. Maybe they have hard time to express their feelings to you. But their feelings is reconciliation with you because Three of Cups with Knight of Pentacles. They want to offer long-term commitment. But they're holding back. because they're confused, they're juggling. And the person involved in this connection could be lot of Earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see their intentions. Their intentions, Libra. Ace of Cups and Queen of Cups. They love you. There is no doubt. Because Queen of Cups and Ace of Cups, they do love you. Maybe they're waiting for right time to fix the things between both of you, because the Wheel of Fortune 2 times came in this reading. Maybe they're waiting for divine timing. Yes. And Six of Swords, communication is coming. They want to fix the things between both of you. For some, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states, traveling involved in this connection. And Ten of Cups. Yes, they want to offer this happiness to you. Your person loves you, there is no doubt, because Ace of Cups and Queen of Cups, they have strong emotions towards you. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. They are undergoing tower moment. They're missing you so much, guys. Yes, because Five of Pentacles and the Tower, they are missing you badly. They want rebirth in this connection. Even though they are in this situation, they still want to be with you. They still want rebirth in this connection. The Tower, Five of Pentacles, they're suffering in silence. Because they don't want to end this relationship. Maybe they scared for rejection also. Wow, Three of Pentacles, Queen of Swords and Six of Swords. Yes, communication. Maybe for some you decided to move on from this person. For some you set boundaries. Three of Pentacles with Queen of Swords. You want collaboration, you want equal give and take, then you let them in. Otherwise you cut them off. You setting boundaries for them. Yes, you stand by your power and you deserve best and you want best. Libra, this time you want to be very straightforward while communicating with this person, and you want partnership with this person. Yes, equal partnership. You both have to work on this relationship. Otherwise you don't want this person in your life. You are setting boundaries. Even though you love this person, but you don't want to compromise with the price of self-respect. Yes, for some it is ending between both of you, but for some there are new beginnings also, very few. But there is passion between both of you, but there is no commitment. That's why maybe it is ending. For some it is kind of ending between you and your person. Death 2 times came in this reading. Very few, maybe after that your person may, for some there is a chance for new beginning if you offer equal give and take, and if you offer commitment or marriage. Otherwise the mutual card death, you both know it is ending between both of you. Sorry, I want to be honest with you. Yes, but still there is passion. Yes, it is ending. The connection is ending between both of you, but still you both are attracted to each other. There is a lot of passion between both of you. Especially your person is very attracted to you. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Libra. A new romantic cycle begins. Yeah, for some told you new beginnings, very few. those, especially new moon in Libra, and what do you need to release? Waxing moon. So if you're having any negative things or bad habits, you need to release, and a new romantic cycle begins, especially when new moon in Libra. Yeah, for some there is new beginning, but there are very very rare cases. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.